Hey there, bet you didn't think we had a part 2 to 3.1, but it was so awesome that we do. So it's lesson 3.1, factor out part 2. So write that at the top of your composition notebook. Okay, so this problem says factor 24x minus 18 using the GCF. Okay, so the GCF, it stands for greatest common factor. So what I like to do is look at both of these and well, first I'm going to add up this just so I don't get confused. But, so I look at each number, I'm like, okay, what can go into both of these? I know they're both even, so obviously 2 goes into both of them, but that's not the greatest one, okay? So let's see, 4 goes into 24, but it doesn't go into 18, so that wouldn't work. 6 goes into there, and 6 goes into 18. Oh, that works. Okay, so I'm going to factor out a 6, because I think that's the highest. 12, 8 goes into here, but not there. 9 goes into here, but not here. So yeah, 6, and then 12 goes into here, but not there. So I think 6 is going to be our greatest common factor. And then, so we have, I'm factoring out a 6, so I'm pretty much dividing this by 6. So if I divide 24 by 6, I get, I'm going to write that over here just so you can see, that equals 4. So put 4x here, and then negative 18 divided by 6 equals negative 3. So that's plus negative 3. And that's as simplified as it gets, because nothing goes into 4 and nothing goes into nothing that goes into 4 goes into negative 3 at least. Okay, so this is our answer. Yay, cool, that's fine and dandy. Life is good. Okay. Now, it tells us what exactly to factor out, which is nice because we don't have to come up with it. So I'm going to factor out a 1/2, so I'm going to put that out here. And then if I factor out a 1/2, I'm going to get just an x left, because 1/2 divided by 1/2 reciprocal gives me a 1. So it's 1x, but I'm just going to leave it as an x. And then plus 3/2 divided by 1/2 reciprocal, and then reciprocal, simplify before multiply, those cancel, and I am left with 3. So plus 3. Yay. This is our answer. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. And this says factor out a negative 2. Yay. It tells us what to do. So negative 4 divided by negative 2, that gives me 2, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So 2p, oh, oops, I have to write that. Okay. So negative 2, and so you're left with 2p, and then 10 divided by negative 2 is going to give me negative 5, because a positive divided by a negative is a negative, so plus negative 5. Okay, and then for this, they want us to do these and then match it over here. I'm probably going to do 2 and let you guys do the other 2. So, what do these 2 have in common? Obviously 6, I'm going to take the 6 out. And then I'm left with 2x is 12 divided by 6 equals 2. And then plus 1, because 6 divided by 6 equals 1. And that is right here. So it's C. Okay. And now I'm going to do this again. 6 can be factored out. So I'm left with 2x. And this is a negative 6 divided by 6, so that equals negative 1. So then that's plus negative 1, which is this one. Okay, so then this one is B. Actually, I might as well just do all of them, so you know all the answers. So this one, I'm going to factor out a negative 6 because negative goes into both of those, so then we're left with 2x, and then plus, yeah, if I factor out a negative 6 is going to turn into a plus 1. So that's here. So D goes here. And then for the last and final one, I'm going to factor out a negative 6 again. So that gives me a 2x, and then 6 divided by a negative 6 is going to be that, or plus 1. And that is A. See? A. So A goes here. Yay, we did it. And that's all for today. I hope you had fun with the part 2 of section 3.2. Yay, we're so awesome. Can't believe this section was so awesome we had to do 2 videos for it. But I'll see you tomorrow.